everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson. We have learned a lot in the past. Today we are going to go deeper and learn something else. What I'm going to teach you today is how we call our rooms in Kikuyu. So we are going to go right away in our lesson and we're going to start with the word living room. Living room, this is how we call it. Nyoba nene. Nyoba nene. Between. Let's go back one step back. This is how we call a house. A house or a home is called nyoba. Nyoba. A home, on the other hand, is called moshie. 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 Now, let's move forward. In the house, there is a kitchen. A kitchen is called Riko. 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 And I just wanted to tell you something. In the traditional Kikuyu home, the kitchen was always built outside the big house. I mean, the kitchen was a separate house outside. This is where they could cook with fire, with firewood, and that's why it was meant to be outside. Yes. Now we go further to the bedroom. Nyoba ya gukoma. Nyoba ya gukoma. Or you can also say gwa gukoma. Gwa gukoma. Gwa gukoma. Okay, there are different types of bedrooms in the traditional Kikuyu home or in a normal Kikuyu family. There is a bedroom for children or for the kids, and there is a bedroom for the parents. Now, this is what you call the bedroom for the parents. Nyoba ya gukoma ya ashiari. Nyoba ya gukoma ya ashiari. Or you can also say gwa gukoma kwa ashiari. Gwa gukoma kwa ashiari. Now, if you come to the bedroom for the kids, this is what you call it. Nyoba ya gukoma ya shiana. Nyoba ya gukoma ya shiana. Nyoba is a house. Ya gukoma is the sleeping area. Shiana are the kids. Or you can also say gwa gukoma gwa shiana. Gwa gukoma gwa shiana. Now, in the house, there is also sometimes a store where you store your goods or your things that you don't use. This is what you call it. Vito. Vito. Remember, in the traditional Kikuyu home, the store was also built outside. So it was a separate house outside the living area for the people. So it was always separate outside. There was the store outside, there was the kitchen outside, and then there came the main house. In the main house, this is where you found the living area, the kitchen, no, not the kitchen, the living area and the bedroom. So the big house or the main house was mainly without a kitchen. As we said, the kitchen was always built outside. Now, we have also in the house, there is the toilet. This is how you call the toilet. Kioro, kioro, kioro. Now, apart from the kitchen, there is also the bathroom, which is called bafu. 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 Remember, in the traditional Kikuyu home, there was the bathroom as well, but mostly the bathroom was the same place where the people went to toilet. So they used the toilet as the bathroom. Remember, the bathroom was just a simple place where you go with your water collected in a basin, and this is where you would take your bath. Yes, so there was actually nothing to do with a normal bathtub or a shower and that thing. This just came in the modern homes. Yes. And the toilet was always a pit latrine. And a pit latrine toilet is called kioro kiairima. Kioro kiairima. Irima is the pit or the hole or that place where the stuff goes inside. So it's called kioro toilet kia irima. Irima is the hole. Kioro kiairima. Now, in the home there was also the compound. And this is what you call the compound. Ja, ja, ja. Remember, in the traditional home or in the traditional Kikuyu home, there was the compound. And this compound was where the kitchen was built. And then this is where the store was built. And again, this is where the animals were found. I mean, where the cattle and the sheep or the goats, this is where they had their shade, outside that compound. Now, there are many things to learn in the Kikuyu home, but basically those are the main words that you use in referring to rooms and areas in a traditional or also a modern Kikuyu home. Something I wanted to tell you is, for example, okay, in the home there is the bedroom, which we said there's a bedroom for the parents, and for the parents are made of two people. There is the mom and the dad, or the mother or the father. Now I want to tell you how you call your mom or how you refer to your dad in Kikuyu. Your mom or your mother is called mami, mami, or you can also say, for example, mother to Wanjiko. This is what you would say. Nina wa Wajiko. Nina wa Wajiko. Or you can also say mami wa Wajiko. Mami wa Wajiko. Now, you also have the dad or your father. This is how you call him. Fafa, Fafa. You can say, for example, when you want to say father to Wanjiko, This is how you say it. Fafa wa wajiko. Fafa wa wajiko. Now, you can also say, for example, Ive wa wajiko. Ive wa wajiko. Now, I think that's it for today. We come to an end of our lesson, and I hope you're doing really fine wherever you are. I hope you are also improving in your Kikuyu skills. We're going to go further in the next lesson, and till we meet next time, thanks for watching, and keep sharing this video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments down there. I wish you all a good night and see you another time. Bye.